Here I have DOOGEE V Max, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see the DOOGEE logo appeared, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume up. Okay, so no logo, you just hold these buttons and this kind of menu appears. Here in this menu, using volume down you can select, and using volume up you can navigate. And you have to select the first option, recovery mode, and after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.